Okay, now that we're back, we're gonna go ahead and do some cardio. This gets up the heart, as it says cardio means your heart, so we're gonna go ahead and get that heart pumping. So the first one that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get down on the ground, and we're gonna go ahead and do some bicycles. So we're gonna do this for about 30 seconds, and we're gonna do 2 sets of these. So bicycle is just like you're pedaling a bike. You're gonna go ahead and do hands, and you're just gonna go pedal that bike. So let's go ahead and do 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that one more time. If you need to, you can go ahead and set back. You don't have to have your hands here. You can have them forward to wherever they're the most comfortable. But with the hands behind the head, it gives you a little bit more support. So let's go ahead and do another 30 seconds. Okay, now that we finished up our bicycling, we're gonna go ahead and do flutter kicks. We're gonna do this for about 20 seconds. So a flutter kick, you're gonna go back and you're just gonna kick your legs like your little butterfly. So let's go ahead and do 20 seconds of this. Great work. So we're gonna go ahead and stand back up. We're gonna go ahead and do some fast feet shuffle. This one we're gonna do for 30 seconds. This one, you're just gonna go back and forth, just like your shuffle. So let's go ahead and, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my shoe real quick just so I don't fall while I'm doing this. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and get my timer. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, our 30 seconds are up. Great work. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to some jumping jacks. So we're gonna do about 10 of these. We're gonna do 2 sets. Let's go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go ahead and take a breather. If you need to, go ahead and get some water. Cardio is definitely a lot. Works up a it works up a sweat, and it definitely leaves you out of breath. So if you needed to, go ahead and get some water. Okay, let's go ahead and do our last set, jumping jacks. We're gonna go ahead and do 10 more reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to some butt kicks. So this one, you're just gonna go ahead and kick that butt. We're gonna do this for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to get my timer out. Okay, let's go ahead and go. Okay, there's our 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and take a small little break, and we're gonna finish up with our last workout. So our last one we're gonna do is called sumo squat punches. It works, it not only does cardio, but it works upper body and lower body. It's actually a great workout to do, to go ahead and combine all of those. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 sets of 20. The only reason why I say 20 is because you're gonna do 10 on each arm. So you're gonna go ahead and get in a wider stance than you would for a regular squat, almost like a sumo position. You're gonna bend the knees a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, go ahead and shake that out a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and do it one more time. Okay, so get back in that sumo squat position, bend the knees a little bit, and let's get to punching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. That definitely broke up a sweat, I bet. Probably out of breath a little bit, so go ahead and get some water, breathe a little bit, and come back, and we'll go ahead and do our cool down.